nigga, I'm for realer. Keep in mind, kid, I'm an all-star champion. But I'm like Stoneface.
Whatever happened to the fear of God? Whatever happened to church on Sunday? Whatever happened to the velvet glove and the iron fist? Whatever happened to the social season? Whatever happened to the debutantes? Whatever happened to the south of France? Good old-fashioned brutality. Everything in its place. Good old-fashioned barbarity. Leave the room in disgrace. Whatever happened to drinking and driving and doing the decent thing? Hiding out on the continent, getting over a nervous breakdown. Close the ranks and remove all traces. Say anything to stay out of jail. What it really boils down to, it always wins, it never fails. Good old-fashioned brutality. Everything in its place. Good old-fashioned barbarity. Leave the room in disgrace.
Have you ever had the feeling that you was being had? Don't that shit that make you mad? They treat you like a slave, put chains all on your soul and put whips up on your back. They be lying through they teeth, hope you slip up off your path. I don't switch up, I just laugh, put my kicks up on they desk, unaffected by they threats. Then get busy on they. See, that's how that shit tell me, man. That's how my daddy raised me. That glittering may not be gold, don't let no.
Alright, production.